Hello, this is Ricky from Faraday Customs, and today what I have for you is another item from our shop. And this item will be for Tesla owners of Model Y and 3, and that will be our center console USB docking station, which provides you with extra USB slots. And those USB slots will fit for Type-C and USB-A. As you can see here, this will be our USB docking station, this being the Type-C, and then this being the USB-A. Now you will connect this underneath your center console, which we will show here in a bit. But if you're interested in buying this will of course be on our website, link in the description down below, or faradaycustoms.com.
Here we have the USB plug. So the way you install this is first plug in these two plugs. You'll notice they're right here. Let's go ahead and put each one in. There's one. Then find the second one. There you go. And what you want to do here is that you'll notice there's a lip here underneath. You're going to wedge this piece, the USB stick, under here, get it to where it needs to be, and on the other side do the same. Once they're both in, you push it all the way down. And there you go. Nice install.